Hey guys, good morning. Today we're gonna do another type of video, a car show video. I used to do this, remember, but for the last 2 years I haven't been in any car shows because of COVID. So for the first time this year, I'm gonna be participating with Nick in a car show. We're going to Lindsay, Ontario. There's a car show there for British cars called Brits-In-The-Park. So we're supposed to meet here on this parking lot with a few other British cars, and we're gonna go together. But it is 7:45 now, and our meet was at 7:45 at this parking lot, unless I'm in the wrong spot because there's absolutely no one here. But that's what it said. I got a message from David the other day. It said Goodwood Community Center in Uxbridge, 7:45. Well, something is coming. I think that's a British car. There they are. So that's David. Looks like we're the only one. Pull the e-brake. Pull the e-brake.
Come here and adjust my mirrors for me.
You can't reach?
No, that's
How
the problem with the can't adjust the mirrors. Can't see a thing. Down. Down.
Here they are. They're coming. Hi. Alright, so we left. We are like just, I think there's a midget, there's TR3, a TR6, us, and another TR6 behind us. So we are on our way. We're gonna stop at a little bakery and have breakfast, and we're gonna continue towards Lindsay, and we will show you what we're gonna do there. Okay, so here we are. We stopped at a little town called Little Britain, and there's a nice bakery here that I'm telling you, it's the most delicious bakery in the world. And there's a little moose over there. So just so you know that even though we're in Little Britain, we're still in Canada. So let's go get something to eat. Good morning. Can you believe that he can sleep in this car?
I can sleep in any car.
Everybody's busy taking pictures. So that's our little group. Well, he made it to the show. I'm gonna take you around soon, but just to show you how we set up here with the other Spitfires. Look at that, oh my god. I'm ashamed to pop up my bonnet because everything got rusted lately. Anyways, so we have our chairs here. I didn't realize that Nick grew up lately, so I still have his... Do you still fit? Yeah, okay. Well, I remember yesterday you fit there. I don't know how you grew up so much. Anyways, by mistake I grabbed the wrong chair, so we're gonna figure it out. Anyways, we have to register now, and we're gonna walk around and see all the cars. This Queen Victoria.
That song. You know the words, do sing along. Dream, 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 dream. Dream, dream, dream.
anytime, whenever I want. All I have to do is dream. And I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine, anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so, and I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want, all I have to do is dream. And I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine, anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want, all I have to do is dream. Dream, 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 dream. Dream, 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 dream. Living on sponge cake, watching the sun bathe. All those tourists covered with oil, strumming my six string on my front porch swing. Smell those shrimp, they begin to boil. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker song. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know, well, it's only my fault. Don't know the reason, stayed here all season, with nothing to show but this brand new tattoo. And it's a real beauty, a Mexican cutie. And how it got here, I haven't a clue. Wasting away again in Margaritaville.
Not even recording.
Searching for my lost shaker song. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know, hell, it's only my fault. Blew out my flip-flop, stepped on a pop-top. I cut my heel, had to cruise on back home. There's booze in the blender, soon it will render the frozen concoction that helps me hang on. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for pretty girl, so I've seen that girl somewhere before. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know, hell, it's only my fault. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know, well, it could be my fault. Thank you so much. I think there's a rule. The rule is you can't end your set with a slow song because it makes everybody depressed. So we got a little British song here for you. The Rolling Stones had this on their first album. And it's called Route 66.
Record it.
Take my way, that's the highway, that's the best. And get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles along the way. And get your kicks on Route 66. Oklahoma City looks so pretty. See Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flags of Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingston, Barstow, San Bernardino. Would you get up to this kindly tip and go and make that California trip and get your kicks on Route 66. So pretty. See Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flags of Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingston, Barstow, San Bernardino. Would you get into this kindly tip and go and make that California trip and get your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks, Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66. Come on, now get your kicks on Route 66.
Then you kind of go deep into history, and it isn't necessarily the fastest part.
Alright, so we are done walking around. We are tired now, so we're gonna relax here by David's car. I don't think he's even seen us yet, so anyways, we're gonna enjoy the rest of the show in the shade.
Oh, no, you're in our category. Yeah. That's 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. John?
Oh, first in class, and isn't that the same? Best in first? Okay.
Somehow best in class just sounds better.
Okay, well deserved first in class. And here's actually John Washington with his tier 4. He did second in class. in the same class. So these are the
next to each
first
other. Look at that.
and second. Yep. Beautiful cars. Okay, we're done with the show, so it's about time to start driving home.
We hope the car actually starts.
Let's see.
By the way, so
I brought a booster pack.
And we actually got a prize, which I didn't realize. We got a door prize, so some goodies from Moss Motors and Haggerty. So we have a plaque, nice Triumph sign for the garage. And what else? What is this? Oh, collapsible organizer from Moss. Nice. All right, time to go home. So it was an interesting show. Thanks for watching, guys. I have my company waiting over there. There you go. Let's go, guys. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.